they hide behind free speech. But if you are being paid for what you do, that is not free speech, di ba? That's commercial speech.
Attorney, just very quickly, just maybe like 1 minute lang po, attorney, no? Kasi we're talking about accountability, no? Yung sinasabi po nga ninyo ay yung iba bayaran. What if yung mga tao na hindi bayaran na nag-share ng mga misinformation, malinformation, disinformation, should they also be held accountable to stop the spread of disinformation, misinformation, and malinformation?
Theoretically, pero in reality, di mo magagawa yon kasi you're talking about millions of people, hundreds of thousands of people, di ba? Ang problema natin ngayon, sino yung pipiliin mo, di ba? Isa-sample mo, di ba? Pwede mong isample yung mga well-known na mga tao kasi kailangan mong gawin yon. But you really cannot do that as a general rule for everyone, di ba? Nasa cyber law, decision na rin yan na sharing is not libelous, no? By itself. Kasi nga, because of that principle na ang daming taong involved, paano mo pipiliin kung sino yung sino yung you go after, di ba? I think ang importante, go to the heart of the enterprise, di ba? Kasi enterprise ito eh. You go to the heart of the enterprise and see sino ba talaga ang nagpapataguyod nito, nagsusuporta nito. And you cut it, di ba? That's where you have to cut it. Kasi may nagsabi nga na, parang ano ito, multi-headed monster, di ba? Yung disinformation, cut it here, pupunta doon, cut it there, pupunta doon. Sige. Then you have to look for ano yung roots na dapat mong i-cut para tapos na siya. Di ba? That's what we forget eh. And magiging distracting lang, going back to your question, magiging distracting lang kung pupuntahan mo doon every, di ba, every Juan and Juana that shares, habulin mo, walang panahon ang NBI na gawin yan, di ba?
Okay. Panghuli na lang, attorney, mabilis na lang po. But where do you draw the line dun sa disinformation tsaka freedom of expression? Kasi yan yung inilalaban nila na, teka, may karapatan ako magsalita whatever I want to say.
You draw the line when the disinformation harms people and harms society. Kaya yung red tagging, bawal talaga yon because it harms people. When you propagate something that will fool a lot of people, diba? Halimbawa, elections, diba? You do, that harms people. So that's where you draw the line.